Hi everyone, welcome back to American Trinity University and our series on reconciling science and religion. And these are small clips and we move them along rather quickly. So we call them Let's Talk, Let's Talk. All right, let's see if we can create a scientific test for God, or at least a premise for a scientific test for God. All right, let's start with the seen and the unseen. A while ago, a bunch of Christians got together and they created the Nicene Creed under a little pressure from a Caesar, but nonetheless they come together and they created a belief system. Okay, and I kind of get a kick out of this because if you asked many Christians who follow the Nicene Creed, they will say, and you say to them, do you believe in ghosts? They'll go, oh no, or maybe yes, or maybe no. But actually, every Sunday during services or Mass, they actually say they do. And here's how it starts. It goes, we believe in one God. And take it a little bit further, the creator of all things seen and unseen, or visible and invisible. So there you go. That's step one. And then the second part of the creed, the third part, actually, when you're working your way down the creed, it not only says, visible and invisible, but it also says literally, Holy Ghost. We believe in the Holy Ghost. So, that's part of the Trinity, right? So Father, Son, and Holy Ghost. So you've got your Trinity. It's in the Nicene Creed. And then the question is, do you believe in the seen and the unseen? Well, yes, you do. You actually do believe in the unseen. Everybody does. And here's why. Let me give you an example of what is an unseen. Music, radio, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Get it? So we do believe in things that are not seen. All right? Now, when you talk to a physicist or a scientist, they study physical law. They try to identify these. So if you look at what they're looking for, so far they found gravity as a force. They found electromagnetism. And then they found at the atomic level, they found strong force, which really holds the little molecules together, and the weak force, which is its decay, radiation. Okay, so that's kind of where they are. So if you look at what they're looking for unseen, unintelligent forces. Unseen, forces. Okay, obviously the operative word here is unintelligent. Why shouldn't they be looking for something that's intelligent? There may be forces out there that are intelligent. And as far as I'm concerned, if they actually would look for or create a test, a scientific test, and they look for unseen, intelligent forces, we may actually get that much closer to God. Now, where am I leading with this? You might have guessed. Boo. That's right. If we can find the Holy Ghost, if we can find ghosts or or other entities that have been identified. And yeah, I know that's scary. Now all of a sudden we're crossing over to the paranormal, not the normal, and we're talking about things that are maybe not testable. But are they looking to create tests for this? Because if they could find a test for it, we would be that much closer to God. Think about it.